is going big with the Pixel 10 series. On August 20th, during the Made by Google event in New York, we'll see the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and 10 Pro Fold. Expect triple cameras, bold new colors, and a foldable with unmatched IP68 dust and water resistance. Here's everything we know so far. Google's next Pixel event is shaping up to be huge, and it's all thanks to the upcoming Pixel 10 series. Set to launch on August 20th at the Made by Google event in New York, the Pixel 10 lineup will include the Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and the 10 Pro Fold. The headline: for the first time ever, the standard Pixel 10 is getting a triple rear camera setup, complete with a telephoto lens, putting it on par with the Pro models. Expect brighter colors and better photography performance across the board. As for style, leaked colors for the base model include obsidian, indigo, frost, and limoncello. Yes, a bold fluorescent green. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is also set to make history as the first foldable phone with an IP68 rating, meaning serious dust and water resistance far beyond what Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 or Motorola's Razr Ultra can offer with their lower IP48 ratings. While Google has teased some of these features officially, plenty of the specs are still swirling in the rumor mill, so August 20th can't come soon enough. Triple cameras, bold colors, and a tougher foldable. The Pixel 10 series might be Google's biggest leap yet. Are you upgrading? For more tech updates, like, share, and subscribe to GadInsider.